Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMCLounge. If you're watching this on YouTube, consider subscribing. We are all about PMP. We are all about project management and other such certifications. Now, in this video, I wanted to share a situation which some of you might end up in. Now, to give you some context, if you are a PMP certified professional, you need to report 60 PDUs to PMI every 3 years to keep your PMP certification active and valid. Now, let's say in one of these cycles, you earn more than 60 PDUs. What is going to happen then? And this is actually something that has happened to me. And I thought I should share this so that it can benefit others as well. So let me share with you my screen. And this is the simple, the CCRS system, right? The continuing education website, ccrs.pmi.org. I'm logged in here. And as you can see, my renewal date is 20th of June 2022. Now, I just have one day until renewal, and I don't need any PDUs to renew the certification, which means I have earned all the PDUs. And here they are: 41 in technical, 8 in leadership, 11 in strategic and business. So I've earned the 60 PDUs required to renew the PMP certification. But like I said earlier, I actually have more than 60 PDUs. If you go to claims, 3 approved here, right? So I've claimed thrice and all of them have been approved. If you go here, you will realize that these are the PDUs that I have claimed: 30 PDUs, 15 PDUs, and 35 PDUs. I have claimed 80 PDUs here. Now, what you need is 60 PDUs to basically renew your PMP certification, which means I have about 20 PDUs that are extra. So what happens to these 20 PDUs? Are they going to lapse? Actually not. And here is where you can go ahead and see what happens. See what PDUs will be applied to my next cycle. Like I said, I had 80 PDUs. I needed 60 and I have 20 that are available for my next cycle, right? And here it also gives you the date. Your new cycle date will start on 21 June 2022. It will expire on 20th June 2025. So I have 20 PDUs because I earned 80 in my previous cycle. 20 will be applied to my next cycle. Now 20 is the magic number here because you can see the amount of PDUs you can apply from the previous cycle is capped at 20. So I had 80 PDUs. I'm using 60 for my previous cycle. In the next cycle, 20 PDUs are going to be carried over. But if I had 90 PDUs, still only 20 PDUs would have been carried over to my next cycle because there is a cap of 20 PDUs. Now, all my PDUs are under education. You can see that I don't claim any giving back PDUs, although I create a lot of content, all thanks to PMCLounge.com. I work as a practitioner as well, but I don't claim that because I like to educate myself and I attend several webinars and stuff, get my certifications done, related certifications done. So that is why I am able to claim all the PDUs under education itself. So one important thing here, since we are here, the PDUs you earn through working as a practitioner can only be applied to the cycle in which they are earned. So working as a practitioner, those PDUs you cannot carry over. You can carry a maximum of 20 PDUs. So I just wanted to share this. I hope this was helpful because sometimes it so happens that you earn more than required PDUs. You might attend several seminars, you might attend several trainings, you might get yourself some certifications because of which you are basically getting more than 60 PDUs in one cycle. So worry not. 20 of those PDUs can be applied to the next cycle as well. I hope you found this video helpful. Smash that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe and check our website out, pmclounge.com. If you have any questions related to PDUs, drop them in the comments. I would definitely like to answer them. And I'll also share an entire playlist where we have talked about earning PDUs. So a lot of good stuff in that playlist. check the first link in the description out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.